This is the all-new Hub 2 from SwitchBot, a new 4-in-1 smart home hub that also works like an IR controller and a smart Wi-Fi thermohydrometer, which essentially means it can track both the humidity and temperature. At our workplace, we already have Apple HomePod, Google Home, and other smart assistant devices, and SwitchBot was kind enough to send us one, the Hub 2. At CES 2023, SwitchBot unveiled the latest Hub 2, which features Matter support. Matter is now a standard for smart homes that can connect different smart home ecosystems together to make using different smart home brands even easier. And as a result, the SwitchBot ecosystem's products can now seamlessly integrate with Matter through Hub 2. Now, we've been using the Hub 2 for quite a while, and let's share our user experience now. Opening the box, let's see what's inside. We got the hub itself. Now we have the power brick right here, a fairly long power cable that has a USB-A on one side and USB-C on the other side. On this cable, here is our temperature and humidity sensor. SwitchBot pulled it out of the hub itself and put the sensor into the cable, so even if the device gets heated, it won't affect the temperature. So we got the exact reading of a room's temperature and humidity. Now here we have two extra double-sided sticky tapes and our user manual, which got all the guidelines. So this is what the hub looks like. We have a matte finish all around. The device is not so heavy at all. Now we can see a neat little kickstand on its back that pops out easily, and it also has a notch cutout that allows the power cable to pass underneath. Going underneath, we can see the port for powering the device up. Here, we see some instructions about how to bend the cable and attach it, and we got a rubber strip at the bottom so the device won't slip out from the surface. Now, we'll plug the device in and set it up with the app. First, let's click on the plus sign in the app, and now we're gonna push both buttons on here, and it went into pairing mode with a beep. Let's click on next. Now, we have to connect it to the Wi-Fi, and according to SwitchBot, the Hub 2 uses standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to connect to our network. And here are some configurations we need to complete, and after that, the setup was done. So inside the app is where we found most of the functionalities of the device right here. Our first option was about selecting our Hub 2. Let's go ahead and click on that, and here's the temperature and the room humidity. And we also have the room light level, so we can have an idea of what the light level is. And when it's about this bright in the room, if we tap on that, it's gonna bring the graphs of what's happening. We can either see the graphs about a day, week, month, or year. Right here, we can see our humidity and temperature, and then we've got some more options down below. Now let's go ahead and get back to the main interface. This is an option where we can set up our IR appliances. Now let's tap on the and remote and select the air conditioner, and then it's gonna give us three different options. We've tried out the smart matching option and got a remote to control our air conditioner. We were able to operate our AC like how we operated with the remote, since it's responsive and easy. Then we also tried the app for our TV, and it seems pretty convenient. So if we're in a hurry before a match, we won't have to hunt for the TV remote. Now, we've got some other options at the bottom, and they are for controlling our office lights. Now let's explore the settings in the top right corner, since here we got a bunch of different options. The backlight and sound, this option allowed us to adjust what the lighting does. We could turn off the indicator light, temperature and humidity reading, and there are also some options like touch button light, brightness adjustability, and sound. Let's go back out. Now we've got our desired conditions, so we can set up different alerts that we want to use for these devices, like the temperature alert or the humidity alert. Here we can see another option to calibrate our devices, and we can set up different cloud services right here. We've got our NFC tag, we've got our Matter configuration, which helped us a lot to use multiple smart home devices. Overall, we've had a positive experience with the SwitchBot Hub 2. It has made controlling our smart devices convenient and streamlined, and the Matter integration has made connecting different innovative home ecosystems even easier. We would recommend it to anyone looking for a smart home hub with a variety of features and easy installation. So that was all about SwitchBot Hub 2. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.